Hello guys, welcome to SFDCPathshala. I hope you guys are doing well. This is the another video of GraphQL series, and in this video we are going to learn about Boolean operators. Boolean operators is nothing but I can say it's implementation of and or operators in GraphQL series. For example, if we need to retrieve data using AND operator, then we can use these operators. Let me take an example of SOQL. So just suppose we need to retrieve data for select ID subject from case where contact ID equals to something ABC and a status equals to closed. So if you see here, I'm using, let me zoom it little bit. Okay, so if you see here, I'm using AND operator, which is returning a Boolean value. For example, this will return true and this will return true, and after combination of both, it will return true, and based on that, this query will return the data. Okay, so similarly, we can use this kind of operation in GraphQL. So how we can use, there are a syntax. If you see, this is the syntax. We need to write where and then and then our filters, filter 1 and filter 2, and based on that we can retrieve data. Okay, you see here, this is the another example of and operator in GraphQL query. Okay, so here we can use and operator and or operator. I'm going to show you example of and operator, same example, and I guess you will understand or operators as well. So let me show how we can write like let me show how syntax is working here. Okay, as you see here, first of all we need to write where, then and then our filters. Okay, so I can write like where and now the filters. So for example, first filter is contact ID equals ABC. Okay, so how I can write, I need to write contact ID EQ ABC. Then I need to write the another one, which is a status equals closed. So I need to write as a comma and then a status colon EQ EQ closed. Okay, this is the way to implement Boolean operator in uh, GraphQL query. Similarly, if I will write as or, then it will work like or operator. So it's a simple syntax. I guess you guys are understanding. Okay, so this is the way to implement uh, Boolean operator. Okay, okay. So now retrieve some data. Let me check is my token is working or not. Yeah, it's working. So let me write a query. How we can write? Let me copy this. I will write this for. Okay, so this is the okay. I'm going to write this for case, and then here I can write the where clause. Okay, and after that I can write edges and nodes. Okay, let me copy this. It's already there, so I just need to copy from edges. Okay, let me close this. Let me check if everything is closed. No, I need to write a close bracket here, then a close back bracket here, one more close bracket, and then one more close bracket. Okay. Okay, now in notes I'm going to retrieve id, and subject. So for subject I need to retrieve value. Okay, so I'm going to retrieve only those two field values. Now I need to implement this where clause over there. Okay, let me copy this. So this is a id, this is a contact id from my org. You can implement your contact id, or I will create a separate video how we can pass dynamic record id here. Also I will implement that into lwc, so keep watching. Currently I'm just passing a static contact id which is from my org, and I'm going to implement a status not equals to closed. Okay. Okay, so this is the query where if you will see it in SQL, so how it will look: select id subject from case where contact id equals this and a status not equals closed. So this is the SQL query and this is the GraphQL query. Let me copy this query. Let me paste it here, and let's click on send. So you see I'm getting uh, response here. This is the id of case, and here the subject, and you see there is only one record. Okay, if I will try to retrieve a status. Let me add a status here. Okay, and then let me copy this. Then you see the status here, it is new. Okay, what if I will change this not equals to eq? It means equals. Okay, let's try it. And now you see the value is closed, like we are retrieving the closed one. Okay, that's why the value is closed, and here multiple records are there. So this is the way to implement boolean operators in GraphQL. I hope you guys are understanding how we can implement. I taken a simple example of it. If you have any query, any doubt, please do comment, ask anything in comment section. You can pass your feedbacks as well. If you are new for SFDC Pathshala, you can subscribe to get updated. If you like this video, hit that like button. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.